In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with GitHub Copilot Chat to boost your coding workflow. If you want to use AI assistance directly inside your code editor, this setup is very quick and beginner friendly. I'll walk you through the full process in a clear, practical way so you can start using Copilot Chat right away inside Visual Studio Code. First, make sure you have an active GitHub Copilot subscription on your GitHub account. This is important because Copilot Chat depends on that subscription to work properly. If your subscription is already active, you're ready to move on. If not, take care of that first before continuing so everything works smoothly once you install the extension. Next, open Visual Studio Code. This is one of the easiest and most popular code editors to use with Copilot Chat, and it gives you a clean interface for working with code and AI tools side by side. Once VS Code is open, go to the extensions view. You can do that by clicking the square-shaped icon on the left sidebar. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl-Shift-X on Windows or Command-Shift-X on a Mac. This opens the extensions marketplace where you can search for tools to add to your editor. In the search bar, type GitHub Copilot Chat. When you find the correct extension in the marketplace, open its page and click the green Install button. Give it a moment to download and install. This extension is what adds the chat experience directly into Visual Studio Code. After installation, look for the account icon in the bottom left corner of the editor. Click it and sign in with the GitHub account connected to your Copilot subscription. This step links your editor to your subscription and gives the extension permission to work. If you have more than one GitHub account, make sure you choose the one that actually has Copilot enabled. Once you're signed in, look at the left sidebar again and find the chat bubble icon. Click it to open the Copilot Chat panel. This is where you'll interact with the AI while you work on your code. Now you can type a request into the chat box. For example, you can ask Copilot Chat to explain a piece of code, help you understand an error, or write a new function based on your instructions. When your request is ready, press enter and let it respond, and that's it. You're now ready to start using GitHub Copilot Chat inside your code editor to speed up coding, learn faster, and get helpful AI support as you work.